Hi everybody and welcome to 3D survey tutorials. In this video I'll show you how to use the point on vertex option. This option is used when we are drawing lines and you want to add points on the endpoints of lines. The option can be found in the tool settings. You can activate it by checking the box next to it. There are three options that can be shown on the point: name, height and point code. The name is just a number of the points, so the first point you are going to place will be named 1, second 2, etc. Height is the altitude of the point, and the custom code is any text you want to have written on your point. You select these options by checking the box next to them. When it comes to point code, you must write it in the space below or import the names written in the text file. You import them by clicking the Import button found in the drop-down menu. In addition, all the codes you have written will be saved in the drop-down menu, so you don't have to bother writing them again. In addition, the custom code option can be also used when using the Draw Points tool. That is all for this tutorial. Thank you and see you next time.